Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, is a common medical treatment used to manage symptoms associated with hormonal fluctuations, particularly during menopause in women. This therapy aims to alleviate the discomfort and health issues that arise when the body's natural hormone levels decline. It involves taking synthetic hormones to supplement the body's decreasing levels of estrogen, progesterone, or testosterone. These hormones can be administered in various forms, including pills, patches, gels, and injections. Women experiencing uncomfortable menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness often turn to HRT for relief. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life and overall well-being. It can also be used to address hormonal imbalances in younger women and men. Conditions such as premature menopause or hypogonadism can benefit from HRT. While HRT can provide significant relief from these symptoms, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks involved. These risks can include blood clots, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Many women find HRT to be a viable solution, but it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Each individual's response to hormone therapy can vary. Before making any decisions about hormone therapy, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to discuss your individual needs and medical history. This personalized approach ensures the best possible outcome. They can help you weigh the potential benefits and risks and determine if HRT is the right choice for you. Your healthcare provider will guide you through the process, ensuring you make an informed decision. While HRT can be effective in alleviating menopausal symptoms, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks and side effects associated with its use. Long-term use of HRT has been linked to an increased risk of certain health concerns. These include blood clots, stroke, heart disease, and certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and uterine cancer. Furthermore, some women experience unpleasant side effects while on HRT, such as breast tenderness, bloating, mood swings, and headaches. These side effects can vary in severity and may subside over time. Balancing your hormones naturally is a holistic approach that focuses on supporting your body's innate ability to regulate hormone production. This method emphasizes lifestyle changes, such as diet, exercise, and stress management, to create a harmonious internal environment. This approach recognizes that hormones work in a delicate balance, and disrupting this balance can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, mood swings, and weight gain. By addressing the root causes of hormonal imbalances through natural methods, you can alleviate symptoms and improve your overall well-being. This includes incorporating nutrient-rich foods and herbal supplements into your daily routine. Unlike synthetic hormones, natural approaches aim to nourish your body's endocrine system, encouraging it to function optimally. Practices like Tai Chi, acupuncture, and herbal teas can support this process. This can lead to long-term hormone balance without the potential risks and side effects associated with synthetic hormone replacement therapy, promoting a healthier, more balanced life. Section 4. Natural ways to balance your hormones. Many natural ways exist to support hormone balance and manage symptoms associated with hormonal fluctuations. These methods are effective and promote overall well-being and vitality. These methods focus on lifestyle modifications, dietary changes, and incorporating natural remedies. By making small, consistent changes, you can significantly impact your hormonal health. Start by adopting a balanced and nourishing diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and sugars, which can disrupt hormone balance. These foods provide essential nutrients that support hormone production and balance. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, as they are crucial for hormone synthesis. These fats also help in maintaining cell structure and function. Explore the world of adaptogenic herbs such as ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil, which can help your body adapt to stress and support hormone balance. These herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Regular physical activity, including both cardio and strength training, can help regulate hormones, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce stress levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and hormone balance. Water helps in the transportation of nutrients and the removal of waste products from the body. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Keeping a water bottle with you can serve as a reminder to stay hydrated. Section 5. Embracing a holistic approach to hormone health. Hormone health is about more than addressing symptoms. It's about supporting your body's natural ability to thrive. By making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can empower your body to regain balance and experience the transformative effects of natural hormone harmony. Your journey to hormone health is unique, so listen to your body, consult with healthcare professionals, and embrace the power of natural solutions to support your overall well-being.